Hi friends, I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida. And getting rid of fire ants indoors can be a little testy because of the fact fire ants do sting or bite you. And once you get stung by a fire ant, you're gonna have a big welt on your hand. So number one, why are the fire ants inside? Well, a lot of times, due to weather conditions, ants may look for another area to nest, and they may need to get off the ground because of wet areas outside the home. So if you have them in the house, first locate the nest. Remember, fire ants tend to gather and congregate in one area. So once you've found the nest inside, you can get a couple of different products I'm going to show you right now. Number one product is this Entice granular bait. Entice is a very, very effective product. You can put it around. The fire ants will carry the individual pellets back to the nest, and that will kill the ants in that area. Or, if you'd like, you can go to another product such as Delta Dust. This is an insecticide that contains deltamethrin. If you sprinkle this dust on top of the area where the fire ants are inside the house, this will go ahead and kill them as well. Another way is to make sure that you have eliminated any sources of where the fire ants are getting inside the house through the use of either caulking material or possibly sealing up any cracks or crevices that you see. All these are good ideas for you to use inside the house, but try to stay away from them. Maybe have to make sure that if you have a professional pest control company area, they may be able to come out and take care of that for you. I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida, hoping you have a pest-free day.